it in the 24 hours time format. After setting the time, you can see it in the 12 hours format in the display. So you can see the 12 hours format 8:11 p.m. and 8:12 p.m. It will show in the 12 hours format, but while setting you have to use the 24 hours format. So now the time comes to 50 for 10 more seconds for the device to turn off. So when it reaches the 8:12. Welcome to Embedded Projects. Today we are going to see about a project called Automatic Start-Stop Timer by using Arduino and RTC. So let us see the project components first. The project consists of Arduino Nano microcontroller board, 16x2 character LCD, micro switches, relay board and RTC, that is real-time clock. And we have the power socket for connecting the power to the entire circuit. So we can connect from 6 to 12 voltages. So these are all the project components. So let us see the working of the project. So the project will work like you have to set the start time, and also you have to set the stop time by using the switches. By using the switches we can set the start and stop time in the with the help of the display. So this data will be saved in the microcontroller memory. So when the time reaches, when the start time reaches, the relay will automatically turn on, so that whatever the devices you are connecting to the relay will be started. The time will be maintained by using the RTC clock circuit. Okay, so this is how test the project. So for testing the project, I have connected the power supply. So you can connect from 6 volt to 12 volt. So you can also use the 9 volt for the safer. So you can see after turning on the power, it will show you the date and time. So date is 23 Jan 2021 and time is 27, that is 8/7. Okay, and below there is here 7:1 p.m. to 7:02 p.m. This is the device turn on period. So it will start on 7:1 and end on 7:02. So this is the start and stop time. So we can adjust this by using the buttons. So there are 4 buttons in the keypad. So first button will adjust the start time, second button will adjust the stop time, and after entering into the start time screen by using the second and third button, you can up and down the values. And for position movement you will use the first button. So this button will act in the multiple screens. So for the initial screen, to enter into the start time you have to press the first button. After entering into the screen, you need to use the first button for position change, second button for increment, third button for decrement, and fourth button for saving the. I am going to adjust the start time. So for adjusting the start time, I need to press the first button. So after pressing the first button, it will get into the start time screen. So again by pressing the first button, it will move to the hour and minute. Okay, so by pressing this, you will move to hour and minute. So for changing the minute, you can press the up button. So this is the up button and this is the down button. So increment and decrement. So I am incrementing to 11. Okay, and for setting this time, I have to press the last button, that is fourth button. So now the start time is set to 8:11 p.m. Okay, so now the time is 8:09. So start time is 8:11. Now I have to set the stop time. So by pressing the second button, you will set the stop time. Okay, I am going to set it as 8:12. Okay, I have set it as 8:12. I am just pressing the enter. So now the time is stop time is 8:12. So from 8:11 to 8:12 the relay should turn on, and after that when it reaches the 8:12 the relay will turn off. Okay, so the device will start by 8:11 p.m. and the device will stop by 8:12 p.m. Now let us test the timing. So you can see the seconds is going on there, 45, 46 the seconds is going on there. So when it reaches the 0, so you can see the relay turned on by second LED. So the relay is turned on now. Okay, so the relay will turn off, that is the device will turn off when it reaches 8:12, so that you can check with the display. So this is how the entire system works by using the keypad, relays, RTC, LCD and Arduino microcontroller. So now you can see the seconds is going 23, 24, the seconds is going. So when you set the time inside, you have to set it in the 24 hours time format. After setting the time, you can see it in the 12 hours format in the display. So you can see the 12 hours format, 8:11 p.m. and 8:12 p.m. It will show in the 12 hours format. But while setting, you have to use the 24 hours format. So now the time comes to 50. So 10 more seconds for the device to turn off. So when it reaches the 8:12, the device will turn off. So this is how the entire system works.